Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of post-workout recovery and the supplements that can give you an extra edge in optimizing your healing process. We'll be covering the top post-workout supplements, including protein powders, branched-chain amino acids, creatine, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, and calcium. Plus, we'll highlight the crucial role of hydration in recovery and provide guidance on how to effectively incorporate these supplements into your routine. So, if you're ready to take your post-workout recovery to the next level, keep watching until the end. Let's start by understanding the importance of post-workout recovery. As Kirksick and colleagues explained in their 2018 study, recovery allows the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and replenish energy stores. During intense exercise, muscle fibers undergo micro-tears, leading to muscle damage and inflammation. Tipton, in a 2015 study, highlighted that the recovery process involves repairing these damaged muscle fibers, which ultimately leads to muscle growth and increased strength. But effective recovery isn't just about muscle repair, it also prepares the body for the next workout session. Kelman and colleagues, in their 2018 study, emphasized that when the body is adequately recovered, it can perform at its best during subsequent training sessions, reducing the risk of injury and overtraining. On the flip side, inadequate recovery can lead to persistent muscle soreness, fatigue, and a decline in performance. Now, let's talk about the top post-workout supplements that can support optimal recovery. First up, we have protein powders, which can be whey-based or plant-based. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and consuming it after exercise provides the body with the amino acids needed to rebuild damaged muscle fibers and stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Kirksick and colleagues, in their 2018 study, recommended consuming protein within the first 30 minutes to 2 hours after exercise for maximum benefits. Next, we have branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, which include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Foray and Benderhun, in their 2017 study, found that BCAAs can reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, allowing for faster recovery between workouts. They work by stimulating muscle protein synthesis and reducing muscle protein breakdown. Creatine is another popular supplement that can enhance muscle recovery. Kreider and colleagues, in their 2017 study, explained that creatine replenishes ATP energy stores depleted during intense exercise. It has been extensively studied and found to improve muscle strength, power, and overall exercise performance. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Hylason and Funderburk, in their 2020 systematic review, found that omega-3 supplementation can reduce muscle soreness and joint pain, promoting faster recovery. They work by modulating the inflammatory response and reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in collagen production and tissue repair. As a potent antioxidant, it helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Petre, in a 2022 article on Healthline, highlighted that vitamin C's anti-inflammatory properties may aid in reducing muscle soreness and promoting faster recovery. Zinc is an essential mineral involved in wound healing, tissue repair, and immune function. Adequate zinc intake is crucial for optimal recovery from exercise-induced muscle damage and injuries. Tipton, in a 2015 study, noted that zinc deficiency has been associated with impaired wound healing and delayed recovery. Vitamin D and calcium are essential nutrients for maintaining bone health and supporting recovery from bone injuries. Petre, in the same 2022 Healthline article, emphasized that vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, while calcium is a primary component of bones and teeth. Now let's not forget about the importance of hydration in post-workout recovery. Water plays a vital role in every bodily function, including nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and waste removal. Tipton, in the 2015 study, highlighted that dehydration can impair exercise performance, cognitive function, and recovery processes, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased muscle protein synthesis. To support optimal recovery, it's essential to prioritize hydration before, during, and after exercise. Kirksick and colleagues, in their 2018 study, Recommended drinking water or electrolyte-rich fluids to restore fluid balance, replace lost electrolytes, and support the body's natural recovery mechanisms. When incorporating recovery supplements into your routine, it's important to remember that they should be used in conjunction with a well-rounded nutrition plan and proper rest. Supplements are not a replacement for a balanced diet and adequate sleep, which are fundamental for optimal recovery, as Tipton emphasized in the 2015 study. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any supplement regimen. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs, goals, and health status. Kirksick and colleagues, in their 2018 study, cautioned that some supplements may interact with medications or have contraindications for certain health conditions. When selecting recovery supplements, choose high-quality products from reputable brands that have undergone third-party testing and have transparent labeling of ingredients and dosages. Start with a conservative dosage and monitor your body's response. If you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Consistency is key when it comes to recovery supplementation. To maximize the benefits, incorporate supplements into your routine on a regular basis, rather than sporadically. Combine supplementation with a nutrient-dense diet, adequate hydration, and sufficient rest to support optimal recovery and overall health, as Tipton recommended in the 2015 study. In conclusion, post-workout recovery is a crucial aspect of any fitness routine, allowing the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and replenish energy stores. While proper nutrition and rest are essential components of recovery, incorporating targeted supplements can provide an extra edge in optimizing post-workout healing. The top post-workout supplements we discussed, including protein powders, BCAAs, creatine, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, and calcium, have been shown to support various aspects of the recovery process. However, it's important to use supplements in conjunction with a well-rounded nutrition plan and proper rest, not as a replacement for a balanced diet and adequate sleep. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Choose high-quality products, start with conservative dosages, and monitor your body's response when incorporating recovery supplements into your routine. By combining targeted supplementation with a nutrient-dense diet, adequate hydration, and sufficient rest, you can optimize your post-workout recovery and support your overall health and fitness goals. That's it for today's video on supplements for recovery. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition and fitness content. And don't forget to visit nutritionmarket.com.au, where you can find all the best supplements and book a consultation with our clinical nutritionists and naturopaths serving clients in Australia and around the world. Remember, while this content is informed by research, it should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Some scientific findings may still be under investigation, so always consult with a professional for personalized guidance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.